So now we're going to look at the cash flow in action by reviewing the year one cash flow projections for Stevens Woodshop. These are closely linked to the profit and loss statements that the team already developed, and they'll contain much of the same information. So if you remember, Stephen projected total sales in 2019, his year one of business, of $10,286. This information is tracked in the P&L, and it's also tracked in the cash flow spreadsheet. And you'll see that it lists both the same monthly sales revenue. So for example, there's $336 in January, $500 is listed for February, $675 in March, and so on and so forth through all the months of the year for a year-end total cash in of $10,286. That's the same amount of total sales that were tracked in the P&L statement. The cash flow statement also tracks income from other sources, though, some of which may not qualify as IRS allowable business expenses. And if the IRS doesn't allow them, they're not included in the P&L. But if it's cash coming into the business, it is tracked in the cash flow statement. In Stephen's case, VR is going to help him cover some of his initial expenses, like advertising, licensing and fees, cost of production, all of expenses that he's going to be incurring in the first 6 months of business. So in addition to his total sales figure, his cash flow spreadsheet also tracks this income, with $614 of a VR contribution in January, $100 in February, $204 in March, and so on. The VR support is going to continue throughout June for Stephen, and then it's going to end. The total VR contribution to his business for the year is then $1,747. The cash flow spreadsheet totals all of the cash in on a monthly and then also annually in the totals column. In January, for example, Stephen has $336 in sales, plus he has $614 that's coming in through the VR funding, so he has total cash in of $950. And if we look over in the total column, over the course of the year, his total sales are $10,286. He has the $1,747 coming in from the VR support, so his total cash in for the year is $12,033.